Today's lesson, section 7.3a, we're talking about double angle, half angle, and product to sum and sum to product formulas. And this is part 2 of that previous video. Here, for this example, I want to be able to simplify the following expressions by using double angle and half angle formulas. So here we're just going to simplify. We're not actually going to find the exact value afterwards. Well, now I want to take notice of what I'm given. So I have 2 sine of 50, cosine of 50, and now I notice that there's a 2 times a sine of some number times a cosine of that same number. So looking at my formulas, that looks like the sine formula for a double angle. And so this would be my x, the 50, and so now I put it in to my double angle one. So it'd be like saying sine of 2x. So since x is 50, I'd say sine of 2 times 50. And so simplifying that, I can say sine of 100. Okay, so here they just want you to simplify, so it looks like something like that. So it's going to be in terms of tangent, cosine, or sine, but of an angle at the end. Okay, so next one, you have 2 cosine squared of 15 degrees minus 1. So looking at my angles, or my formulas for my angles, it looks like that's one of the cosine double angle formulas, where it's 2 cosine squared of x minus 1. So our x in this case is 15. So because of that, cosine of 2 times our x, which is 15. So then I multiply and get cosine of 30 degrees. Okay? And that's all they want. So they don't want the square root of 3 over 2 there. Okay? Let's do another one. I have 1 minus cosine of 50 over sine of, or sorry, not 50, cosine of 40 over sine of 40. So looking at that one, I would say it's not any of our double angle formulas. It looks like it's one of the tangent formulas because of the 1 minus cosine of an angle, u, over sine of u. So here, I would insert in tangent of blank over 2, and so my u, in this case, is actually 40, so I put in 40. So then I get tangent of 20 degrees. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking at. Letter D, similar. So I look at negative square root of 1 minus cosine of 300 over 2. Since it has a radical, it looks like it's got to be one of the half angle ones for either sine or cosine. And since it says minus cosine of 300, looking at the half angle ones, the one that has a 1 minus a cosine u is going to be sine. So using the sine one, so my u is the 300. So then simplifying that gets us a sine over 150 degrees. Okay?